water and its treatment. So in this unit we are going to discuss certain parameters of water and the treatment of water. The unwanted impurities, if it is removed from water, then the process is called water treatment. Water is the second most versatile element. Among the 5 elements that are found in nature, water is considered to be the second most versatile element. About the total percentage availability of water, if we see the utilization for agricultural activities, 70% is supplied. For industrial activities, 20% is supplied, and for domestical purposes 10% of water is supplied. Coming for the various sources of water, the different sources of water are rainwater, surface water, groundwater, and seawater. Under surface water, rivers and lakes are considered to be surface water. Groundwater, it is well, bore well, and springs. Seawater is found in oceans. These are the different sources of water. And seeing the impurities present in water, based on the purity, different sources of water can be arranged in the order. That is, rainwater is the most pure form, and next comes the groundwater or underground water. Then comes the surface water, and last lies the seawater, which is the impure form of water. Seawater it is said impure form as the salinity level is more. Types of impurities. Present in water. It can be classified as 3. One is physical impurity, chemical impurities, and biological impurities. Further, under physical impurities, presence of suspended impurities and colloidal impurities are listed. So both suspended impurities and colloidal impurities combinedly it constitute the physical impurities. It is called physical because in water the presence of these impurities are visible. And under chemical impurities, certain impurities are dissolved salts and dissolved gases. So dissolved salts and dissolved gases are called chemical impurities because presence of these impurities in water is not visible. It is all in dissolved condition, but even then it gives some bad impacts in water. Therefore, these are considered as chemical impurities. Biological impurities, presence of microbes, that is bacteria, virus, protozoa, algae, fungi. So all these microbes totally constitute biological impurities. So let us see all these impurities in detail. Physical impurities. Under physical, one sort of impurities, suspended impurities. Substances like stone, rocks, pebbles, large size grains, floating materials like leaves constitute suspended impurities. So all these impurities in water, if time is given, it all gets settled down. It forms sediments. So therefore it is called suspended impurities. Presence of these impurities impart color to water. That is the impact it creates in water. Pure form of water must be colorless, but presence of these suspended impurities it imparts color to water. Colloidal impurities. Substances like fine sand, clay, silt, silica, ferrous, manganese constitute colloidal impurities. Some organic matter like oil globules, proteins, amino acids are also called colloidal impurities. Presence of these impurities in water impart color, odor and taste to water. chemical impurities, dissolved salts, minerals such as copper, zinc, manganese, calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium in the form of chlorides, sulfates, carbonates, bicarbonates constitute dissolved salts. All these minerals are present on earth. So water, during its flow on earth, it gets mixed up with all these minerals, and these minerals in the form of salts, it gets dissolved in water. These dissolved salts impart salinity to water. It even provide taste to water. It also turns water alkaline. Dissolved gases, the other chemical impurity. Gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, and even nitrogen dioxide gets mixed to water through diffusion process. These gases in water turns it acidic. The acidic nature of water, it is simply because of this three gases: sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and carbon dioxide. Sulfur dioxide in water produces sulfuric acid, nitrogen dioxide in water produces nitric acid, carbon dioxide in water produces carbonic acid. So acidic nature of water, it is decided by these gases which are there in dissolved condition. Next sort of impurity is biological impurities. Bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa, and algae constitute biological impurities. So presence of these microbes alters the odor, color, and impart taste, that too disagreeable taste, to water.